Apes and ape bets, welcome back to the channel. AMC and the stock market is about to get the next leg up, and it's about to get fucking crazy in the marketplace, baby. We have earnings that came out. We have news from AMC. We have AMC's upcoming earnings. We have the option flow to get into that is incredibly bullish from institutional investors. The short interest that is still at almost all-time highs since the June rally. We have the Stonko tracker data, 13F filings. We have so much to get into. I'm not going to bore you guys with the intro here in this video, so do me a quick favor. If you guys find entertainment or education out of this video, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section what do you think is in store for the rest of the week as far as AMC in the broad markets are concerned. How many shares do you own? Give me that information, baby. I'm hungry for it. Let's go. I am geeked. We got some winning trades today. We got a lot to get into, so let's get to it. AMC did close up about 5% in after hours, up 0.83%. We're seeing some very strong earnings across the board, and let's run through them just briefly for you guys. We're seeing Google up almost 7% in after hours. They did announce a 2-for-1 stock split, so if any of you guys are interested in that, they're doing a 2-for-1 stock split, and there is talk about a dividend, possibly an extra share or something along those lines. I'll keep you guys posted if it's something that is going to move the markets, but we know how stock splits go. If you buy one stock now, you get 20 in the future, or possibly 21, depending. There's some rumors you might get an extra share. Like I said, who knows if that's actually confirmed or not. We'll have to wait until the actual earnings call comes out. But Alphabet is a huge company. That is Google's parent company. YouTube, that is who owns YouTube, and they beat on all metrics. We're not going to get into that all too much, but the fact they're up 7% is carrying the markets. PayPal down almost 12%. Terrible earnings. They guided downwards. We could see that AMD is just skyrocketing right now. The call I have is now in the money. If you guys want access to all of those trades in real time, check that out. Link down below in the pinned comment. The strategy that I have been using playing these playing earnings with options is buying contracts and then selling out before earnings, but keeping some for free. So that's what we did with the $127 strike on AMD. That's going to hit great. AMD did guide about $1 billion of revenue higher for full year 2022. So that is going to be a banger trade. And as far as AMC and how this ties into all of that is that AMC just announced they had great revenue. So if the economy looks good, people are going out, they're doing things, advertisers are spending money, you know, so on and so forth, you're going to see that enthusiasm carried throughout the whole markets. And the fact that AMC did announce this today, AMC stock is soaring. The movie theater chain saw profits at pre-COVID levels. So there's no longer an argument for AMC is this meme stock, so on and so forth. There's no argument there. Let's take a look at exactly what they said. If you guys have not seen this, AMC did say the company released preliminary unaudited financial results for the final 3 months of 2021, revealing sales of approximately $1.17 billion ahead of the $1.09 billion estimated by analysts surveyed by FactSet. It would be the highest quarterly revenue in 2 years. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, a key adjusted metric of profits, is expected to be between $146.8 million and $151.8 million for the quarter. That's far ahead of the $82 million expected by Wall Street, and the most profitable the company has been based on that metric since the same quarter in 2019 when AMC reported EBITDA of $269 million. So AMC is going to announce their free cash flow positive. That changes the game for AMC. Now you can actually value this company as if it is not a meme stock. They are a real company. They are profitable, or at least free cash flow profitable, not net profitable as far as the numbers that we got today. But this is a huge sign, or sign, whatever you want to call it, in the right direction. Now, once we do get earnings that come out, I believe that is March 1st. We will confirm this in just 1 second. But that is going to lead a lot of people to be very bullish. And depending on what Adam Aron does say on the earnings call, I think that is going to be a reason for AMC to rally as well. But in the short term, due to the fact that all of these earnings are for the most part, incredibly bullish. That could give a lot of room for AMC to climb as well. We're seeing some very exciting stuff that is happening besides good old PayPal, down about 11%, but they do not hold as big of a market weighting, so that should be good. The SPY in after hours up 0.29%. It's looking really good, baby. We could see a strong day tomorrow for the markets and for AMC. I am very excited. But as far as earnings that are coming up, we have Wednesday, Abivai in pre-market, Waste Management, Marathon, Humana, Boston Scientific, Thermal, Fisher in the morning. So a lot of pharmaceutical companies right there. After hours, Facebook is going to be a key, and there's actually a sympathy trade between Google and Facebook that you guys could make, and I think it would make a lot of sense given the stock split and all the other things that Google did announce. And we can see that Facebook is up as well, almost 2% in after hours. So it's looking like some strong bullish sentiment is likely to head back into the markets. Amazon on Thursday, Ford, Snapchat, Pinterest, Activision, just to name a couple, Estee Lauder, Honeywell. You guys get the idea. We're going to get a lot of information, and the information that we are getting already is very, very bullish. As far as, let's circle back to AMC. As far as the Ortex data, you're looking at short interest of 20.75%, 106.5 million shares that are sold short. Cost to borrow max still at 2.32%, so not too much has changed as far as that is concerned. 81% share utilization, days to cover at 2.55. And do you know what it would be the best thing for AMC right now? Is if we start to get analysts, due to these numbers that are looking really great, if we start to get analysts that upgrade the stock from a underperform or a sell to maybe a hold or even a buy at these prices, that is what is going to set AMC off and force a lot of shorts to cover, in my personal opinion. Analyst upgrades are very, very important. Now, as far as the day today, the sentiment did actually switch around. We had 12 orders totaling $5.6 million, positive order value of 26%. So it's a mixed bag here. One call, a $20 strike call for January 2023, $130,000. They paid $650 per contract. So the break even on that, oh my God, is $26.50 per share for January 2023. So people are going big. You also do see a March 18th $18 put with obviously a lot less time, a $1.1 million order right there, $32,000 order, $36,000 order, $40,000 order, $35,000 order, all for the call side. So it's looking like a mixed bag here, but there's definitely good and bad out of this. The fact that AMC was up so much today should show you a couple things. That AMC is going to be explosive. So if you have conviction in the stock, hold on to that conviction like I have done, like a lot of us have done, and just be patient. That's what it comes down to. Patience pays in the end, baby. As far as the Stonko Tracker data is concerned, you're looking at 50,000 calls that are in the money, 78,000 calls that are out of the money, 4,400 puts that are in the money, and 71,000 puts that are out of the money. It's looking like a very strong week. My price prediction still stands at about $17 per share by the end of the week. I think that's very reasonable, but given the earnings that are so good today, I do think it is very possible that AMC could be close to $20 per share by the end of the week if this bullish momentum does continue. A lot of this bullish sentiment here in after hours is going to, be confirmed or not confirmed coming on the earnings calls once we get more information, once we get some analyst questions that do start to get asked to management. So that's going to confirm or deny exactly what I am saying here in this video. Earnings calls are usually in between 5 and 6 o'clock. So be mindful of that. If there's any companies you invest in, feel free to take a listen to those earnings calls. Now, as far as the 13F filings that we are getting, like I said earlier, we're getting a lot of bullish filings. You could see 150% increase to that position, 152,000 shares bought, a brand new position right there, decreased 8.75% right there, small position right here, 98,000 shares right here increased that position by 5.35%. Overall, looks like a lot of bullish activity, a brand new share position of about 36,000 shares. So looking good in that aspect as well. If we do take a look at the max pain, it is still at $15 per share. I do not believe that as much right now. I do think I don't think we're going back to 15 by the end of the week, but hey, I could be wrong. If Amazon earnings are bad, a couple key companies coming ahead, that could certainly be the case. Now, as far as where we are at on a technical basis, we're at a very important level. We're, in between the $17.50 range or $18 range and the $15 level. So we're literally right in the middle. So we're going to choose a direction. I think it's going to be to the upside. And what I want to point out as well is that news like this, that AMC has such strong EBITDA that is actually positive, that upset a lot of analyst expectations. Nobody expected this to happen. That's why AMC was up at the peak today, like 15 to 17%. It could take a couple days to fully digest this, and you could see a multiple day move based off of this news. So AMC is about to go crazy. The broad markets are about to get wild. Volatility is here, baby. Volatility smells opportunity, or spells opportunity. Smells if you're Joe Biden. But let's get it, baby. I am very excited. I mean, I'll be your hype man today because things are looking beautiful, baby. So hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what do you guys think about this information. Let me know in the comment section how many shares you own. Hit the like button if you own the stock. Spread this video. Do what you guys want to do. If you guys want access to all of our trades in real time, I send out all of my trades the second I make a trade, whatever it is, winning or losing. So it's up to you guys to come to your own conclusions. If you agree with my thesis, I usually provide one when I do send out those alerts. If you guys need guidance, a little bit of mentoring, whatever the case is, no shame here. Ask any question you want, advanced or not advanced. We don't care. We'd love to have you over there. So that's going to be all. Love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.